What's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Other Knows, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para may update ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lessons na ating matututunan dito sa Other Knows. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is how old is Earth? Gano'n nga ba tanda ng Earth natin? Or ilang taon na nga ba siya? So before we start our lesson proper, so syempre meron tayo trivia for today. Your dog knows when someone isn't trustworthy. So, diba last time, sinabi ko sa trivia natin, dogs can sense human emotions and dogs knows when someone isn't trustworthy. Study finds some people are more biologically predisposed towards dogs. You may be able to tell when your furry BFF is thrilled to see you, but your dog probably knows even more about you and other people than you about them. Not only do dogs have innate instincts to protect their humans, but the 2015 study published that in journal Animal Cognition suggests that pups can even tell if a person is untrustworthy based on their behavior. So, syempre kapag talagang amo ka or kilala ka na ng aso or alam naman nilang trustworthy yung tao, so syempre, mabait yung pakikitungo nila and syempre, yung buntot nila, yung alam yung constantly na gumawagwag siya. Kahit kapag syempre untrustworthy ng tao, tumatahol siya or nagagalit siya. So, dog can sense human emotions and they also know if someone isn't trustworthy. So, that's the fact that we can consider it as a fact. So, ayan. It's very proven and tested. So, dito tayo sa ating lesson proper. So, geologists or scientists who study Earth's structure and composition say the best approximation of the age of Earth is 4.6 billion years. Oh my God! It's very old. Mas matanda pa siya sa ang kananunuan. 4.6 billion years na siya. Ayun yung kanyang parang edad. So, 4.6 billion birthdays na yung kanyang nagagawa. Approximately pa lang naman. So, they measure it for the approximation of 4.6 billion years. And geologists always remembers that they're the person who studied the Earth structure and composition. So, they say this because of the following reasons. The oldest continental rock discovered is 4 billion years. So, they consider these facts to approximate that the Earth is 4.6 billion years na. The oldest continental rock discovered is 4 billion years. So, 4 billion years old yung pinaka-oldest continental rock. The oldest rock material from the mantle is 4.6 billion years. Wow! 4.6 billion years. The oldest moon rocks and meteorites are also 4.6 billion years. So, their approximation kung ilang taon ng Earth is 4.6 billion years because of this following reasons. So, oldest continental rock, the oldest rock material, and the oldest moon rocks. 4 billion years, 4.6, dalawang 4.6 billion years na siya. How do scientists know the age of rocks? Paano nga naman nila nalaman na ganun nakatanda yung rocks? So, yan. Several geochemical methods make it possible to date the rocks of all ages. Radiocarbon dating, which makes use of carbon-14, is one of them. So, hindi na nga posible na ma-measure yung mga age ng mga rocks natin dahil nga sa modernity and of course sa mga talino and skills and investigations and experiments ng ating mga scientists. So, geochemical methods make it possible to date rock of all ages. So, geochemical process or method. So, they use the carbon-14 to have the process of radiocarbon dating. So, it's the process of measuring how old is the rocks in Earth. So, yan. How is Earth shielded from being blown off of its orbit by solar winds? So, yan. A magnetic field called Magnetosphere. The magnetic field is called the Magnetosphere, created by electric current circulating in the molten outer core and velocity and protects it from the solar winds. So, kaya nga hindi siya naboblown off ng mga solar winds natin is because of the magnetosphere. It is created by electric currents circulating in the molten outer core and velocity and protects it from the solar winds. So, this is the example So, this is the solar wind. This is the Earth or the Magnetosphere. So, ayan, yung violet. So, ito yung sun natin. So, the Magnetosphere shields the Earth from being blown off of its orbit by solar winds. So, Earth's motion. Earth moves in a number of ways. Its motions are affected by the gravitational influence of the members of the solar system. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way. As the galaxy is, the solar system also moves with it. So, yan. Ang ating Earth moves in different ways of motion. So, counterclockwise, clockwise, ganyan. And affected by gravitational influence of the other members of the solar system. So, Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and so on and so forth. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. It's always said that our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. As the galaxy is, the solar system also moves with it. So, ayan. Earth's rotation and Earth's revolution. So, the two basic motions of Earth are the rotation on its axis and the revolution around the Sun. So, yan. Rotation. Earth spins on its axis and one complete rotation equals day and night. So, yan. Ang ating rotation. Earth spins on its axis to complete one rotation. One rotation, it means 24 hours and measures the equals the day and night. So, pag sinabi naman natin revolution, Earth revolves around the Sun and completes the one revolution in 365 and 1/4 days. 365 and 1/4 days. So, leap year adds a day to the calendar every 4 years. So, imbes sa 365, nagiging 366 days na siya. So, ayan. So, leap year, when we say leap year, nagkakaroon ng February 29. So, di ba ang February natin is hanggang 28 lang. So, every 4 years, if there's a leap year, we will have the February 29. So, yung meron akong tita, pinanganak siya February 29 and she celebrated her birthday on March 1. So, ayan. So, meron tayong leap year at tinatawag na the rotation and revolution. So, ayan. Next. So, ayan. This is the tapos na ating lesson. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video. And leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and suggestions for our videos or to our recent videos. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!